Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. Today's footage comes from police activity. I'll link the full video below if you want to watch it start to finish. A man calls 911 threatening to walk into a business and shoot everyone inside, then tells dispatch he's already sitting outside with a handgun. The breakdown starts now.
911, let's address your emergency.
I'm at Planet Fitness and I got a gun and I'm going to go in there and shoot everybody.
I'm sorry, you said you're at Planet Fitness, the one on Sparks at 640 North McCarran?
Yeah.
Okay, and what's going on there?
Watch what he says next. He's about to make a direct threat against everyone inside that location, which immediately raises the stakes for this call.
I'm going there and I'm going to kill everybody.
You said you're going to go in there and kill everybody? Why are you going to do that?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
What is your name? Hello?
Jed Dyer.
You said your name is Jay?
Yeah.
Okay, it's really hard to hear you. Are you outside of the business, or where are you?
I'm in a Chevy S10.
You're in a Chevy S10. What color?
White.
Are you parked in front of the Planet Fitness, or where are you?
Listen to what dispatch asks next. They're about to confirm whether he has a weapon, which will define how serious this situation becomes.
Do you have a gun on you?
Yeah.
You do have a gun on you? What kind of gun do you have?
One that fires.
Okay, is it a handgun or a rifle?
Handgun.
Do you know what kind of gun it is? Like a 9mm, 45mm?
Listen to how he responds. He's about to make a threatening statement tied directly to that weapon, escalating the situation even further.
It's one that'll make you shoot me.
Okay. Where do you have the gun? Is the gun with you in the truck or in the back? And Jay, what do you look like so officers can get help to you? Are you white, black, Hispanic?
Pay attention to how he answers. Instead of giving a description, he's about to deflect completely, which leaves dispatch without critical information to identify him.
Friend of God.
What's that?
I'm just a friend of God.
I'm sorry, Jay, really hard to hear. What was that?
Jehovah's planting me in the trees.
You said something about the trees? What's your last name, Jay? Jay, you still there?
Yeah.
So why do you want to hurt anybody?
I don't want to hurt anyone.
You don't want to hurt anybody? So the officers are going to come in and try and help you. Can you put the gun away from you? Can you put it in the back of the truck?
Listen to what dispatch asks here. They're trying to get him to put the weapon away, but his response is about to shut that down and end communication completely.
Come get it.
Yeah, we're going to come in so we can help you. Can you?
61, where exactly is this vehicle at? We're coming in.
93, can you tell? He's going mobile. He's coming at us pretty quick.
Watch how fast this escalates. The moment he rams the patrol car, officers are about to respond with gunfire into the truck to stop the threat immediately.
I'm trapped in my vehicle. Hold on. Hey, watch the crossfire. Where's you at? Hey, he's got a gun! Hold on. Move around. Hey, move around. Pull over here. Hey, back up.
Watch what you're about to see next. This shifts to dashcam footage capturing the moment everything unfolds in real time.
93, can you tell? He's going mobile. He's coming at us pretty quick. 93, can you tell? He's going mobile.
He's coming at us pretty quick. I'm trapped in my vehicle. Hold on. Hey, he's got a gun!
Watch this moment closely. The officer is about to step out of the vehicle to create distance from the threat and reposition safely.
Hold on. Move around. When he came across, he pointed the gun right at me. Hey, let's swing this way so I can get behind this fucking car. Hey, I'm going around. Watch out. Hey, LT, when he came by, he's got a gun. He pointed it at me.
At around 12:13 p.m., officers approached the vehicle and found the suspect still inside. Medical personnel moved in immediately and began rendering aid, but he was later pronounced dead at the scene. The suspect was identified as 39-year-old Jedediah Guerra, and investigators confirmed he was armed with a handgun at the time of the incident. Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. If you want more real-world breakdowns like this, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss what's next.